Alright guys, we're at a place called Rainbow Glass. It's right here on MacArthur Highway. Robinson Mall is right here. System Plus College Foundation is right here, but we're at a place called Rainbow Glass. And what Rainbow Glass does is they specialize in doors and windows, and they also specialize in cabinets. Now we talked to everybody, well not everybody, but a lot of people that have cases and display cases and things in their Sorry store and in their other stores. And we asked everybody, where did you get your cases? And they said Rainbow Glass. So everybody, literally everybody said Rainbow Glass. So these are the guys that come to, and right now Louise is in there and she is setting up a, hello, and she is setting up a, I don't know what you would call it. She's setting up to buy her case, get it, you know, get her sizes and everything like that, and get a price. And we're gonna go from here. I'm gonna step in here and we'll check it out. All right, so right here is where everything is done. Everything's handmade right here. See, they got tables set up, and everything is done right here, right in this little workshop. No factories here. It's all hand done. Yeah, you can see they do window screens. Like I said, they do glass cabinets. We'll step over here. I'll show you these glass cabinets. Wait, I want to show you the hand tool first. Handmade hand tool. But yeah, let me step over here. These are the cabinet styles they make right here that we're going to be ordering, or she ordered. It's 4 feet, I think, by, what's that, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet by 4. But that's the style. Make bigger ones. And there's their office right here. So, yeah. All right, look, tell us what you ordered and how much they charge for everything.
I ordered that one. I don't know what
it's 4 foot.
4 feet.
Probably by 4 feet.
It's 4,250.
4,250 pesos.
And then they have 250 delivery.
250 delivery, and that's free setup and everything.
Yeah, everything.
Okay.
And, it's good for it's delivered because today is already Friday.
Right.
So tomorrow and Sunday is closed. Delivered by Tuesday.
By Tuesday. All right, and what else? Let me think. Let me think. No, I wanted to ask you something else. I don't know. I can't remember. So yeah, there it is. There's the price, and doesn't matter if I was in there or not. They're a big company. They've been here a long time, and it's a set price. So 4,250, and then 250 for delivery. And we will come back, pay them today, and they will have it. Pay them half for haul, and they will have it delivered by Tuesday. Today is Friday, so all right. All right, I'm on my cell phone right now, so forgive the shakiness, but one of the things we wanted to do was we wanted to sell loads at the new store. So we actually came up here. We're up here on Fields Avenue area, as you can see. And they have all these vendors all up and down through here that sell phones and loads and everything like that. So yeah, we decided to come to this place here, and Louisa got a phone here, just a simple phone. What do they call it? Mobile iPhone, and with dual SIMs inside, so she can sell globe and loads for cell phones here. But yeah, we found this place, and one of the things you look for sure when you come up here to buy these things, make sure there's actual prices on the phones and things you buy, because if there's not, then you got to sit and haggle and negotiate with them. But she picked up a phone for 750 pesos with dual SIMs card in it, and she will be in the business of selling loads here in the Philippines. All right, we're at a place called DG Phones, and we came up here to get the setup for Globe. They only do Globe here. It's 1,050 pesos for the smart card that you need, and it's 1,000 for the SIMs, and then it's a 50 peso load. So we're here right now, DG Phones, second floor, SM Mall. From what I'm told, now 2 people have told me this, so I'm kind of going to go with it. We need to go to Angeles somewhere for the smart loads. So anyways, journey continues. All right, guys, we're back up here on Fields Avenue. One thing I've learned here in the Philippines, if you're looking for something, don't ask one person, 2, 3 people. Get multiple people and ask them questions. We were told we got to get what's called an E-load for the to sell the loads. The one we bought up at SM Mall there was an E-load for Globe. I misspoke. The SIM card itself was 50 pesos, and then 1,000 peso load that you had to get. And they said you have to go up to Angeles City, somewhere in Angeles City, to get the E-load for smart. We asked a couple, actually we asked about 6 vendors that sell E-loads, where do you get the E-load SIM card? And they told us up here, stall number 10, right up here on Fields Avenue. So that's where we're at right now, getting the E-load for the smart, to sell smart loads. So I have Louise sitting there right now. She already got a price, so I'll show up now, so they can't raise the price. So let's, yeah, I'll show you where we're getting that at. All right, there's Lut right now, getting hooked up with the E-load for smart. Like I said, this is stall number 10, and they sell, it's like a lot of cell phone products in here. Chargers, cases, used phones, new phones, everything right here. It's actually right across from JJ Supermarket, which is right there, and Margarita Station, which is over there. So we will be now hooked up and ready to sell Globe loads and smart loads. If you're not familiar with what loads are here in the Philippines, people get cell phones and you buy a load. You buy so much, and you know, 10 pesos, 20 pesos on up, and the load is your phone, and that's what you use to make calls, search the internet, and things like that. So that is what a load is here in the Philippines. All right, guys, so here's how smart works. Smart, the SIM card runs 90 pesos, to where Globe only costs 50 pesos. And then you buy a 1,000 peso load. So SIMs cost 1,090 pesos to set up to sell. And we got a little banner that we can hang up in our store. So there's a difference between Globe and Smart and setting up to sell loads to people. You don't make a ton of money off of selling loads. You know, they usually charge anywhere from 2 to 3 pesos extra on top of the amount that you're selling. But you know what? Every penny counts and every penny adds up. And you know what? Everybody buys loads for their phones around here. So, all right, I don't know. I guess off to the next place.